Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Genshin Impact. If you want to log into your Genshin Impact account, first of all open the Genshin Impact app on your device. Wait for the application to load, and once it does, you will need to enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have a Genshin Impact account yet, click on the Register Now button and follow through the sign up process. If you do have an account, you can enter your email and username followed by your password, or you can also sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or Twitter account's credentials. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to type in my email here. After typing down your email, enter your password on the next field, and finally click on Login. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. Now agree to all of the service and privacy policy and click on Accept. Select your server and there you have successfully logged in to Genshin Impact. You are now ready to explore, complete quests and unlock characters. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.